Mr and Mrs Vlogs, and today I have a very special surprise for you guys. It's actually a bonus video clip courtesy of my mother. So basically my mother is an artist, she is a teacher and she's been teaching art and craft since always. So like you all already know what is going around the world, around the planet. Yes guys, coronavirus pandemic. And we all been strictly advised to stay home, or you can say stay safe, stay home, stay self-quarantine. Like it's going globally basically, like everybody knows about it. So yes, my mom being an amazing teacher and even a more beautiful person, like she's such a wonderful person that she started giving out these easy painting methods and in form of videos to their students. And yes, here I am in front of you sharing one of a very basic method of painting a beautiful painting, that is a sunset scene. She is teaching in a very simple way. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it, and please like, share and subscribe the channel, and we'll be coming out with more movie videos. And because she is doing it, she's teaching it online. So yes, I am in process, she has made this video specially for my vlog. So we will be coming out with more videos, more art and craft methods, and let's get the videos rolling and let's enjoy our staying home.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.